Did you know as teens, we're supposed to see a healthcare provider at least once a year, even if we don't feel sick? But why would we do that? Well, let's talk about it.
1 in 3 of us said they have symptoms of depression. 15% of us said they had thoughts of suicide. And a lot of times, we aren't honest about our mental health because of what other people may think. But we need to be honest. Suicide and homicide are the second and third leading cause of death in our age group, and both are linked to mental health.
We are also curious and may start experimenting with drugs or alcohol. This could get us into dangerous situations. They can also be hard to get out of because of peer pressure, like driving in a car with someone who's been drinking or is high. The number 1 leading cause of death for us is car accidents.
Fact, we're less sexually active than the last generation. But in Oregon, there are still around 1,700 teen births every year. Rates of sexually transmitted diseases in our age group are increasing. These include diseases like chlamydia, syphilis, gonorrhea, and HIV. These are diseases no one wants.
I know this sounds like a lot, but it's not. First step, make sure you have all your vaccines. Your provider will know what you need. But here's a short and sweet rundown. HPV series, tetanus vaccine, meningococcal vaccine, a booster at age 16, and don't forget your yearly flu shot.
Second, find a primary care provider. This could be a pediatrician, family doctor, nurse practitioner, or physician assistant. They may be located at a community clinic or a school-based health center. Either way, find a healthcare home and check in once a year, or anytime you feel sick or have health questions.
Third, know your rights. Oregon law states that at age 14, you can see a healthcare provider for all mental health, drug, and alcohol services by yourself. That does not mean if you're 13, you can't be seen. Your provider will just ask your parents' permission first. At age 15, you can get medical care by yourself for most things. There are other exceptions to this rule, like if you are a danger to yourself or to others, or need to be admitted to a medical facility. If you want info or help for a sexually transmitted disease or birth control, you can be seen or treated at any age. That means that your parent or guardian does not need to be a part of the conversation, although it is always good to keep them informed of your health. So let's take action. Remember, your health is important to your future. Don't wait for your parents to make an appointment for you. School-based health centers like Benson Wellness Center are free and staffed with amazing people who want to see you succeed.
Vacúnate. So get vaccinated.
Get to know your primary care provider.
Know your rights.
So let's take charge of our health.